Ministry of Corporate Affairs, in short MCA, which govern companies and corporate affairs in India, on 24th May 2021 has released new avatar of its website www.mca.gov.in, which is also called as version 3. During 23rd and 24th of May 2021, Ministry of Corporate websites www.mca.gov.in has stopped working for some time, and suddenly on 24th evening a new avatar of MCA portal has come up. For some time I thought I might have typed some wrong website address, and I checked it again. It was typed correctly. It was www.mca.gov.in. The face of the website has undergone for a total change. Hello everyone, welcome to CS Connect. I am Chaitanya Babu, practicing company secretary from Chennai. In this video, we will be discussing about latest developments in MCA website. We are getting news that Income Tax Department will be shifting to a new website, and the website will not be working for a week. But there was no news about MCA website upgradation. We were just surprised. In the new avatar, the developers have tried to keep the regularly used options on the face of the website, which can be accessed with a single click. Few of these options are register your company, company forms download, close your company, register your LLP, LLP forms download, close your LLP, inquire fees, etc. We regularly use company forms download and LLP forms download, which in the new avatar has come on the home page itself, which is visible on the face of the website. That makes it very easy to use. In my personal view, if they could have brought view company or LLP master data, view signatory details, view index of charges on the home page itself, that could have been very helpful. The new avatar looks quite good. When the website undergoes migration, we always have fear whether the website will work properly or not. Guess what? This time MCA and website developers have taken care of that. Version 3 is being implemented in 2 phases so that hiccups, if any, can be rectified and users' experience will not be disturbed. Phase 1 is about updating the look. That means only front end has undergone change in phase 1, whereas the developers has not touched the back end. That means they have not migrated the data to the new servers. Previously, MCA website was having ebook for only Companies Act 2013, whereas under phase 1, what all acts which are gone by the MCA are provided in ebook manner. The developers has also provided FAQs regarding how to use website in phase 1. Interestingly, they have even provided explanatory or training videos also. In phase 2, the entire architect of the website will be changed. Second phase will be implemented from the month of October 2021. Under second phase, all forms will be made web-based, where most of the data will be pre-filled in accordance with SIN and CIN and name of the company. This may be compared with current pre-fill option in the forms. The web forms will also have lesser attachments. From October 2021, MCA will have different architecture, a different form filing process, different filing features, and compliance management system is being introduced. Master data and view public documents will undergo change. All day-to-day compliance features will change from October 2021 onwards. In second phase, artificial intelligence will be used to check whether any compliance is missing and action will be taken accordingly. No physical presence will be required for adjudication purpose. MCA version 3 will be a generation changer. Under phase 1, MCA has given better user-friendly look to the website, enhanced ebooks, has introduced e-consultation, and email service for MCA officers has been provided. Under MCA version 3, the developers are also introduced artificial intelligence chatbot, where a user may ask question in chatbot and it will automatically provide answers and even help in raising queries on MCA website. One more information to cheer is that MCA is also increasing the capacity of login so that server down problem can be addressed. This point will be tested only once it is used practically. Let us see what all features have been implemented in phase 1 and what all features are retained from version 2. The home page has entirely changed and it has totally got a different look. Acts and rules are also provided in ebook manner and has been totally changed from previously what it was. My workspace has been retained as it was previously available. Even login and filing space is also same as it was in previous version. E-consultation has been brought in. It's a new concept totally in phase 1. MCA services has been retained as it was previously. Data and reporting has been brought in into the phase 1 and version 3 phase 1 has been implemented on that. Help and FAQs are as per previous version. Contact us has got a different outlook and has been changed in it has been changed as per version 3 phase 1. In total, I feel that the website look fine now. The important things which we regularly use have been kept on the face of the website itself, so that accessibility will be faster, quicker. No need to go inside somewhere and search for something. So all these things I believe will make life more better, more easier. But once the phase 2 of the version 3 is implemented, most of things will be governed by artificial intelligence. Then the compliance has to be to the core, otherwise the artificial intelligence will directly throw the non-compliance and companies may be sent notices more than what they are getting now. So but this is a good initiative by MCA to bring in a new software which will be in line with current technology. I appreciate this one and support and provide support to the initiative taken by MCA. Thank you for watching the video.